ocean that is unending, that is connected to all it touches. No beginning, no end. It just simply is. It felt cool today to climb up to on top of Sumner Cave, which really is more like a dragon to me. Beautiful dragon. So I'm sitting on top of the dragon, overlooking this wonderful, beautiful sight before me. And we're going to bring through some light language activations to assist everyone with coming into the truth of who you are and burning away that which you are not. Burning away the illusions of suffering and pain and feeling incomplete into the complete freedom that you are, a joyous, divine, creative being, unconditional love, unity, peace, harmony and joy. Miko gashigari woki samaguru shiki magu Iko kokashimaki ati makiri tiko Miko koshani akalo right meriki tosha kira makuru Iko kokomaki aki makoko koshaki ati makuru Iko koko shimaki aki makoko shimo 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 Miko kokorete mokoratu koko Ete makoko Eko te mekira koe Mikoko Mikorate samakare te koto shikara pati sakare samakoro shikara Ekima ke koko shakti maka Ekoko shamatia mokoratia makaki mako Ekoko shakatia maka Ekoko shakatia maka Ekoko ko shamakatia kotorati sakare sakaro shikara Ekoko Eko ka tia makaki to ko ka shiaka Eko ko shakia tiaka Eko ko shakia ta Miki maki ka ko shakati maka Eko ko shakia tia maka Eko ko Eka tia maka to ko shuka Eke tia maki to tia maka Ekima kia toko shakia tia maka ki moko shakia ta. Nikura tia makara tokura shamatia sukura tia makoko kashimakia bohi maka. Ki shura tia maka ki woka simaka. Ekora tia makara tia makoko tia maka. Mikira tia makira tia koko. Mikira tia makoko koko. Mikira tia makoko koko. Mikira tia makoko koko. Mikira tia makoko koko. Eka mukura tia samua shiaka. Kia. It is time to stop doubting your worth and your power. And your power resides in the depths of your heart. So let yourself be cleansed of the pain and suffering. If tears are there, let them wash you clean and keep diving in, keep inviting the unconditional love and the being, the light of who you are, and all the helpers of the universe available to you. Call upon them to assist you, to fill you up, and to ask to be shown the way, to see the magnificent being that you are, and use nature to connect you to your divine beauty that you are. Kia, and so it is. So when you listen to this and listen to the light language, breathe deeply into your heart, breathe through your skin, breathe as the ocean, breathe as the earth beneath your feet. Breathe with your beloved brothers and sisters, sons and daughters. breathe with all of the beautiful animal realm, magical realm. Breathe as one. E kukasha kia tama kia tore tia sakurushka tia samaka tia kutushkara. E kiki kukushakaria titi makta. So in the middle of this transition, I turned around and saw two beautiful people listening to me, and they were so calm, peaceful, reverent, and I just knew in this moment that this is what my gifts are calling me to be fully present, unashamedly out here in nature, sharing my gifts for the world, helping myself and each other connect to the light and the gifts of who we are. It's time for us to shine. It's time for us to fly like these birds. It is time. It is time for us to be who we truly are and to create heaven on earth. Go well, and I welcome your comments. Please share your own magical stories with me. I'd love to hear back from you. Blessings. Namaste.